Testing, 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 testing. All right, we good. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keys back with another live trading stocks and futures. Today is February 2nd, 2026. It is Monday. Okay, so we're kicking this week off, first day of the month for February. So yeah, we're finna get into these charts. But first, we're going to get our prayer in. Y'all know we gotta get our prayer in. So go ahead and bow your heads. Dear Lord, we come to you today. With open hearts, open ears, open mind, Lord, that we trust in that whatever plan you got for us, that you always want the best for us, Lord, that you always will make sure we're able to overcome any challenges or difficulties, any obstacle courses that we approach, Lord, that you know that we can overcome them, and we can bear the difficulty, Lord. I ask that you continue to strengthen us during them hard times, strengthen us during the moments of doubt, Lord, the moments of fear, that we continue to remember that we got you on our side, Lord. And as long as we got you, no matter what, we will be successful at the end of the day. And Lord, we come to you just saying thank you once again for allowing us to enter a new week of trading. We ask that we have sharp minds, um, determined decisions, and bravery and courageousness to be able to execute trades, Lord. I ask that we don't let greed or anxiety, anything overcome us that cloud our judgment or cause us to hesitate, Lord. We ask that we be clear and decisive with our decisions and trust that the knowledge that you provided for us will equip us well enough for the moment, Lord. No matter if we win, lose, or draw this week or this day, that we ask that we learn and continue to grow no matter what. Thank you for everything you've done and continue to do. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Okay, let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. Now, if y'all was here yesterday for the weekly analysis, y'all know that on the economic calendar, we got PMI 845, then we got another PMI at 9. So, either get some trades when market open, if you're going to get and go light because it's the start of the week, or wait till all that dang PMI stuff get out the way, okay? One of the two, okay? One of the two. Looking at SPY, well, actually, I told y'all we're gonna focus on the future, so my bad. Going to M and Q. I said it. I said it yesterday. If y'all was in the live stream, I said we're gonna focus on futures Monday through Wednesday, and then stocks will be like secondary on them days. Okay. But looking at M and Q, last night I told y'all I said this potentially gonna be an entry. We're probably gonna push up overnight because we was down here when we did our analysis last night. And I said, I'm thinking it's finna bounce. It got to bounce right here if it's trying to keep this uptrend intact, keep this higher low. It got to bounce right here. So we was like, it's probably going. I said on stream last night, I said it's probably gonna push up overnight. And literally that what it did. It ended up pushing back up overnight. Biggest thing we looking for today on M&Q. Do we close? My bad, I hit the mic. Do we close green for the day? If we close green for the day, we possibly this be the first breakout because it did disrespect both of these fair value gaps. So since it disrespected both of them, we can't say it's a break and retest. It'd just be a breakout counter for right now if it closed green. Then we'll need another retest, unless we just go straight green, straight to the high. So today, the big determining factor is, do we close green today? That's the question. Do we close green today? We close red, that's fine, because then probably gonna come retest this tomorrow, and maybe we can get that green counter. But if we try and get this uptrend based off the daily, we gotta have a green counter, man. I told y'all, for anybody trying to trade off the daily, we basically gotta let Monday counter get done before we can determine if we need to start going to the upside. Now, if you want to get in a little risky before the counter even be green, you gotta drop down to the lower time frames and just wait on some uptrends. Take the uptrends. Okay. So let's drop down to that hourly. Check it out. Last night we ended up pushing up green right here. Made a higher high. Okay, so this not technically your entry. Made a higher high. Then we made a low. Okay. and then boom, higher high. This is our entry to get in long. Stop loss below this low. Then we're supposed to be aiming for the first gap. It did take that gap. So you basically would have been aiming right back to that gap. See if we can close past. We ended up barely closing past here. No, did we close past? Yeah, we barely closed past for that continuation. It pulled back slight, but then it's still pushing up. Now, what I'm looking at is either do we go push straight up to this daily gap up here, or do we come retest this hourly gap? Let's put this magnet on. Or do we come retest this hourly gap right here that we just broke out of? Okay. When you come retest it, then we'll be looking for the longs off of here, possibly on like the 5 or 1 minute. When it make an uptrend after touching it, make an uptrend, take the longs on up to the previous high, then possibly up to the daily gap. Okay. Pretty much that's plain and simple. Plain and simple. That's pretty much what we'll be looking for on MNQ. Okay. And if in event that it break through that gap, we look for the longs back down here again. But I'm gonna tell y'all it's risky because of that dang PMI. So I'm probably gonna get in one contract if I do get in, just because case PMI just come out of nowhere and shoot us all the way down. I don't want to lose too much, you know. So I'm about to take one contract. And then it's like the opening range of a Monday, so it's like I don't really know if I wanna go heavy. You get what I'm saying? So 5 minute, we made a higher high, made a low. We didn't make another higher high yet. Let's see. So not just yet. Gotta cross this high here. Once it crosses high, stops can be down here. Target. Well, we got a gap right here. So target literally instant. So it really could. It's so many gaps right here. It could do one or two things. Either it can hit and instantly reverse hard, or it have to squeeze real hard because we got one gap, a gap inside the gap, got this gap here. It got to squeeze hard, straight up to the top. Okay, straight up to that daily gap. So either we're gonna we should get a hard push up, or it should tap into it and then reject, come all the way back down. But either way, we gonna just leave it alone until we see a trend. Now let's go to gold. Last night I said gold look like it's finna come take that solidified level out. I looked at it this morning and ended up taking the solidified level out right here. Took this solidified level out, so I deleted that line, and then I marked out the next solidified level, which was right here. Literally went to a T. We literally said it was gonna take that out, and I said, let me mark this gap up because this might be the gap that we get that bounce. And literally, they came straight down. I'm talking about perfect to a T. They lucky we don't trade on Sunday. Cause we probably didn't even need a trade today, you know, with the M&Q and the gold trades we called out last night. But looking at this daily, honestly, if gold close green, fine, but it won't make me strong bullish. I told y'all I really need us to get back above this daily gap up here at 51.31. Okay, I need us to get back above there where I can be strong bullish. Cause even if we close red or say we close green, we can come to this gap, reject, go lower low. We can come up to this gap we just now creating if we create a gap, because it always can push all the way back up. But if we could create a gap today and then the next time try to push up, it can come into that gap and reject again. So it's kind of being bullish. Other than scalping for the bulls, I really don't like being bullish, you know, other than scalping. Okay. Yeah, now I really don't want to take no loans inside this gap. So I think I'll just wait, sit on my hands on gold for a little second. That's all. But other than that, that's what we looking for. MRM really not doing nothing crazy for me. The hourly did make an uptrend. I'll say that hourly did make an uptrend. It should come take this high right here, possibly come up to the top of the daily gap. Maybe once to get above the daily gap, if we build an uptrend above, I like to take MYM. Possibly up to these previous highs here on the hourly. But other than that, chilling. But MYM did make an uptrend, so we can mark out this previous low that it made. higher low. Let's make sure. Let's see if we got any trends on anything else. We got one right here, so we'll mark that out just to be efficient with these trades. Do we got one here? Yes, we got one here. Everything making an uptrend right now, basically. Okay. All right. So we just gonna be chilling, looking for our bounces on the gaps if we get them. And yeah, that's it. I really probably gonna wait until all the PMI come out. Honestly, probably. Um, if I do get in before, I'm probably gonna take only one contract at a time. And that's it. Okay. So, and then today we got my boy Mel. We gonna call him up. I'm gonna see can he get on Discord. Let me see, so y'all can start hearing him. Well, actually, let me see. No, I think the audio go in and out if I do that though, cause the connection with Discord be tricky. I just call him on the phone. Even if y'all can't hear him, it's okay. Y'all hear me. Um, Hello. Yo, what up? What's good, bro? Nothing much, man. We dang got this PMI coming out today at 8:45 and 9. So, oh, it's Disney. I like this Disney stock. Let me look at this. I wanted to. Yeah, I was wanting. They earnings came out this morning. I was wanting it to go to the upside, but it came to the downside. CPLTR. Oh snap! The PLTR. I might get in that one. We pushing up. It's what I want. I wanted their earnings to come out good. It didn't come out yet. You want your options? Yeah, I'm just looking at the options. I already got my M&Q, MYM, all them. Honestly, they all in the uptrend right now, like gold, M&Q, MYM. So I either need a pullback. MYM coming down a little bit, but I need some type of pullback before I can get in anything. And like I said, that PMI coming out, so that's gonna be a little risky. All right, then M&Q just pushed real hard and took my target. I told that what I said on the stream. I said we probably squeezed real hard to the upside because it had so many 5-minute gaps to the left, and then literally that what it did, just squeezed real hard to the upside. So can't do nothing about it. Yeah, that M&Q going crazy. Yeah, it just bust out of a daily gap. Yeah, it just pushed through a daily gap. Yeah. I could have took that risk, man. I don't know. I didn't want to take that risk for real. Yeah, it's in a strong uptrend too. Yeah, it's just gonna have to wait on another pullback for me. Yeah, MYM just dumped real hard. MYM dumped down real hard though. Like intense, bro. It's still going. What, the MYM or the M&Q? The MYM. Yeah, it's dumping. That's a significantly long counter, bro. Mm-hmm. And it. So I had a solidified market at 49.07. Yep, the same. Them all the way down to 48.840 and still going. Yeah, it broke it. I'm probably gonna let that first hour counter come on and finish up before I try to get a trade. Cause the trade I was kind of looking at was this dang M&Q, but it just squeezed real hard. I probably should have set a order before pre-market to when it take that high on the 5-minute to get in them loans, but it's all right. That's live and learn. You know what I'm saying? Live and we learn. Yeah, for sure. Cause like I said, like you told me, bro, you can't count your bases, only your wins. Mm-hmm. If you ain't get a chance to get in, you ain't losing that. Yeah. Pretty much. So you said you feel like gold is in the uptrend too? No, gold ain't in the gold. It's pulling back. It's in the uptrend on the hourly, but I'm not confident in the loans for gold, honestly. Based off that daily, but it is in the uptrend though. But I'm just not confident in the loans. If you look at gold right now on the 5-minute, it's like you
said it's a little uncertain because from like 7 to 7:45, it just went damn near straight down.
Yeah.
And then now it's like going up again. So I don't know.
NYM recovering.
You don't want to warn me how volatile gold is too. So probably stay away from that.
Yeah.
Bro, how did NYM just drop that hard
and push all the way up? It pushed all the way back up, man. That's crazy.
Man, that's real crazy. That's the kind of stuff right there that blow your account.
That would have blew somebody's account and then came right back in their way. I've been mad at them up.
I was talking about, man.
See, I'm gonna see what this next 1 minute counter if it can close above 49,034. Maybe get one light NYM long.
Yeah.
Just to see how high I want to go. I think it at least get up to that daily count at 49,997.
And you look at that, the 1 minute counters on NYM. It was 4 red counters going straight down, and then 1 green counter came and erased all that.
Trying to see what the counter. It's probably finna go straight to the target.
Yeah, it's pushing. Yeah.
I was trying to wait and see if it's gonna close green, but it's already down there at target.
Oh, you know what I meant to ask you too. So,
I'm gonna
if
grab
I
one.
switch between accounts, do my markings, my draws still show for each different account?
Yeah, it still show for each account.
Okay, good.
All right,
Man,
nice.
that's crazy.
I just caught that on both my accounts. Try to see if we can close past. Don't come down. Hold up above there, bro. You got a lot of time though. I just caught that on my Ninja Trader account though, for a little $14. But I'm on Apex right now, see if we can push.
Yeah.
Dang, I wish it kicked me out my Ninja Trader account, man. Cause it spiked down real quick. I would have been up about $30 on my Ninja Trader. I'm mad at him. Cause the Ninja Trader, that one I ain't got no rules nothing. So whatever I make on there, I can pull it out when I'm ready.
Yeah. Yeah, I know this ain't like something I would do when I get my live account, but because I'm trading on one of my accounts that I already blew the combine, I went and got in like 10 positions of gold last night, bro, and I'm up 48.94 right now. That's so crazy.
Dang. I ain't gonna lie, I was playing with it yesterday on silver. I took a silver trade. Boy, guess how much I made.
How much?
But I was on practice account. I told you I don't trade on the weekend, but on Sunday. But man, I was up $17,000 last night.
Dang, like imagine
with two silver contracts.
Imagine if that was real money.
That's what I said. I said, dang, I wish it was a real account.
Oh, gold just broke out too.
Gold push to the other side.
Yeah, it's trying to push through this gap.
Yeah, it is pushing
like right
up.
now, it's right inside the gap. It's trying to push through.
I'm just looking at the bigger picture for gold. That's what got me a little hesitant. The bigger picture for gold, like I don't.
You looking at the way hourly or daily?
Daily, like it just look like it's getting ready to go short. I end up getting stopped out on this NYM for $20. So I got $20 off of that. I'm really playing it real light until this dang PMI stuff come out. I'm just doing one contract at a time for right now. Golly, M&Q.
Yeah,
Bruh. I missed the entry for the loan. You ain't get, man. You should have looked for that. I thought you would have seen that.
Yeah, I was on NYM and then I got on gold. I wasn't the M&Q. I just
That was
M&Q.
it. Gave that pullback and everything for us.
Yes, it did, bro.
Dang, we missed that mug.
It pushed significantly too.
That would have been cool, little $67 right there.
Right.
Dang, man, we missed that pullback.
It's all good.
It's cool. It's gonna get us some more. It's gonna get us some more interest somewhere. It's all right.
And you told me this too. If it forms some kind of trend above this gap that it just broke through, then it's gonna continue.
Yep. If it form a trend beyond this gap that we in right now, it should continue.
So I'm gonna be looking for that
We
in
can
the
make an
market now.
uptrend above it. Yup.
But why everything pushing so hard before the news even come out? Like, dang.
I figured it was gonna do that though. Cause the reason why, cause if you, I don't know if you seen the analysis yesterday, but I was like, on a lot of this stuff where they were sitting at, they had to push right now. Like it had to push right now and stuff.
Yeah,
So, cause if you look at M&Q daily, it was real close to that last higher low we had at 25,026. And
yeah, I saw that.
when I normally I just instantly buy, but we opened up at the top today. But that'd be where I dang there instantly buy because it's already it's close to a solidified level. I'm finna just go and get in, you know,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because I ain't really risking that much with that. But I was like, yeah, it gotta bounce here if it's gonna bounce at all. This had to be where it bounce at. Let me see daily. That's why I'm a little sorry I missed my opening entry, but it cool. Like I said, we get some more entries. Let a pullback come through. Look like we about to possibly get one. And then, like I said, that PMI news come out, it could drop us all the way back down. Then we can get in again, all the way down. If it drop back down hard, then
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
it go back to where opening price was at. Then we can get another entry to get back in. NYM potentially finna make an uptrend right here above this daily gap
Let's see. I'm about to switch over. I was
on the
about to get
1
in on
minute.
that MQ, but let's see.
On
Let's see.
it pushed down. It made it lower low. Never mind. Dang it.
On that 1 minute, yeah. And then it pushed right back up. That's crazy. So
Yeah.
is it about to consolidate? Nah, it's gonna keep going up. It might consolidate, but I think it's gonna keep going up.
Yeah, but it made that lower low, so I kind of gotta let it go green. Only way I can get in is either if it just closed past them highs, or I need a high, low, higher high. Then I'll be ready to get back. Like basically, I redo an uptrend again for me, unless it just
Yeah.
close above these highs. Then
You
I can
know
get.
what? I'm glad you said that. So from a strategic standpoint, let me ask you this: if it just pushed above
Yeah,
that
they
high, that
close above. I'm
price.
finna grab one light one and just set my
But then I
stop.
was gonna ask you, when it pushed like that, do you wait for a pullback or do you just go ahead and get in once they kind of close?
If it close above the highs, I get in, see if that continuation gonna run.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Dang, they playing. They don't want me to set no stop loss. I had
Damn,
playing
it
game.
got significant and just dropped back.
Yeah,
But it's gonna keep pushing though for sure.
potentially. We have to see if this next candle can keep closing green right here.
I know this ain't like no something an experienced trader would say. So obviously this is my rookie ignorance. But one thing I noticed about NYM above all the other ones, bro, when it's trending in one direction, it usually go in that direction for sure. Like it
Yeah,
might do some kind of pullback, but it's gonna go right back in that same direction.
yeah, and a lot of time gold do that too.
Yeah,
We might get stopped out here. I don't know, cause if this close red, it might get stopped out. We have to see. Unless we can get this
it's funny.
green candle here.
It's funny you say gold, cause have you checked gold? That mother just keep going straight up.
Yeah, I figured it was gonna go up, but like I said, I'm looking at the bigger picture. You
Yeah,
know, so
yeah, I
I really
got you.
don't
I
want to go
got you.
against the bigger picture. But I figured it was gonna go up today,
Man, the
cause
last
it just broke a
5.
solidified level on the daily on gold. So it's like that kind of made me don't want to take loans if we just made a new lower low on
Yeah,
the
yeah,
daily.
I feel that. Damn, that mean Q still
Man,
going.
I'm gonna head eating on that NYM on my live account, my Ninja Trader.
Yeah,
Dang, Apex, come on now. It's pushing right back down. I got out on my live account. I ain't gonna lie, my live account, I be taking $15, $20 at a time.
yeah.
Oh, good, cause like I said, I can pull it out when I want to, so I be taking about $20 a pop. They give me about four,
Hey,
five, $20 trade.
as long as you stay in the green, you winning.
Oh, everything. I swear. Cause I logged in that morning, I looked at it, I said, dang, I made $100 on Friday. I ain't even know.
Yeah, as long as you stay in the green, you winning, my boy.
Oh, I'm saying I'm gonna pull that mug out soon. I need that mug.
My top
All right,
stop
I'm
should have
out.
run again.
I'm out. I kind of trailed my stop too tight. It's probably gonna keep running, but I kind of was trying to. I don't know. I probably shouldn't have had did that. I trailed my stop too tight on the NYM. I took $20, but I should have kept my stop down at the solidified level.
Yeah.
Cause I probably can still be riding this long right here, but it's all right though. We got that news coming. A lot of times I don't like playing it through the news, so
Yeah.
I ain't gonna be mad about getting kicked out. But I do think we might keep running though. Might keep pushing, possibly up to that 49,395.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, I'm a little. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna say I'm a little salty that I got out, bruh. I'm a little
Yeah.
mad I got out because I probably could have made about 60 if it get up there, 60 $70. But
Well,
we
I can
up
say
35 on the day right now.
one of the main things that I'm learning from you and my next step on how I trade is trust your instinct. Like if you say you finna get out, stick to it, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
I know it's like that, what you call it, FOMO, fear of missing out. You know,
Mm-hmm.
you know, it's like, dang, I could have got more, but it's like, you know what? I'm good
You
with what
gotta
I
be
did.
alright with it. Cause the thing is, like, I can say, dang, I wish I still was in, but at the same time, I'm okay. I'm okay. I got out because I was a little nervous in the trade. You get what I'm saying? You don't want to
Yeah,
be in no trade that you nervous with. You know, you
yeah,
want to be in a trade that you confident with. You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
So
for sure.
I think we finna keep pushing with MNQ though. Let me go look at QQQ stock. I think we probably gonna keep pushing up though. Let me get my Weeble ready because I might buy some QQQ loans right here. See if we can get up to 26. Got this daily green counter. Yeah, I think we might shoot up when this news come out. Might see it shoot up pretty hard.
Yeah,
I might need to grab the MNQ loans. I don't know. I'm trying to see. Cause I want QQQ to make an uptrend above this dang gap. It's a daily gap that is sitting at right now. And MNQ sitting at the daily gap too. So basically I just need an uptrend above the daily gap and I'll be ready for these loans, bro.
yeah.
Take these loans. Cause I think we finna get a little squeeze up to the next gap. And that might
Well,
be
I
all
mean,
we
they
need.
don't get it where if you blow an account, they give you another chance. Like for instance, if you go below 48 and you blow the account, if you bring that mug back above 51, it should be like,
That
ah,
that what they should do, but they ain't gonna do that. They want their money, so they ain't gonna do
yeah,
that. They need their money.
yeah.
But that would
So
be
that's
fine. Like, say if you blew them and say you get $5,300, they be like, you know what, we're gonna give you another free set. You know, at
yeah,
least on the
that's
first account you ever blew or something.
stone. Come on now, that'll be too sweet.
Okay, I'm thinking about these loans on MNQ. I mean QQQ.
But
I just need an
MYM still
uptrend.
ain't stop pushing.
Look, that NY, I told you that NY. I said, bro, NYM finna keep running. I couldn't got out. I'm mad at the bug. I got out, bro.
So
I've been up about
it
$60 right now.
it hits a spot like you pulled it into
No,
a
I
spot and
trailed
then
it
you
up. Yeah, I trailed it up
yeah,
too soon, bro. And I knew
yeah,
I did. When I did it, I was like, bro, I'm trailing too tight. Like,
yeah,
I knew I did, bro.
yeah. You just wanted to make sure you left with something instead of nothing. I feel you.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, bro. I think we going up to that 49,300 level though.
Yeah, yeah,
It's just if we don't get no pullback, it is what it is. I'm focused on this MNQ now at this point.
yeah, yeah.
I'm a little sorry about that NYM. Can't
And then
even
I'm
lie.
looking at gold. It just gave a nice pullback. Might can find some kind of entry there. Let me see.
So
Oh, it's still pushing down. You gotta wait on that.
I'm looking for the MNQ. That's what I'm waiting on.
Yeah, it ain't pulled back yet. My goodness. So with a situation like this on MNQ, when you wait for the pullback, let me ask you this: would you wait until you know you got a red candle and then a green, or however many close and then a green and then you hop in?
I'm waiting on it. Got to at least give me one red counter.
I got you. So the reason why I was asking you that is because you see it's at 25, 730, whatever. And then from my estimation, if I'm on a 5 minute, the range that it could drop all the way back down is like to 25.
Crazy, yeah, it's crazy. That's the thing.
So how would you handle it?
I'm trading based off the 1 minute, so.
The 1 minute, okay.
And I set my stop loss literally where the 1 minute lows was at.
So then your stop loss on that would be 25, 680.
Yeah, if I'm in right now, yeah, that'll be my stop
Okay.
loss.
25, 682, okay.
Literally just sitting behind the solidified levels. If you don't see a solidified level on the 5 minute, draw down to the 1 minute, see if you see the solidified level. If you don't see one, if say you on the hourly, draw down to the 15, see if you see a solidified level.
Yeah.
Literally the whole G.F.T strategy, just sit behind the solidified level. That's it.
Yeah.
So if you get in a trade, your stop loss should be your solidified level. That's it.
Gotcha.
I want to get in here, but it ain't an uptrend above this dang gap. But it might just go straight green, 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 and go straight to the target.
Yeah.
Hey, let me see. If it close past these highs, I'm gonna grab one light, white, one light long. Oh, it literally closed right at them. That's crazy, bro. It literally closed right at the highs. Just gotta wait. I was about to grab them longs though. We close past it high though. I'm grabbing some longs. I'm gonna tell you that now, man. I'm gonna grab one light. It is gonna be a little risky. That's why I'm only gonna grab one. 30 seconds. Don't do it right now. Wait. Just wait. Don't run right now. Please don't run right now. Come on, bro. 28 second. Hold up, bro. Just stay down here. No. 20 seconds. Just stay down here for a little bit more. 12, 10. I hope it ain't no 1 minute gaps to the left though. I'm gonna be mad. I get in and get kicked back out. 3, 2. Did we close above? We closed above. I'm in. I'm in one light. Stops down there where I told you at. Soon we get up to like $15 or so, I'm gonna bring stops up. I'm up 20, 23. I want to give it to this end of this counter. I want to see this counter finish closing, honestly. So I'm gonna give it a second. I'm gonna at least give it to the last couple seconds of this counter. Hopefully it don't shoot straight down on us. 33, 36. I could have got in two, but I ain't. I told you I was getting in light right here because this is just a continuation.
Yeah,
All right, I got stops at about $30. I'm up 60. Stop loss at about 30. 72. Come on, squeeze us up to that daily. And I got in on my options too, so I'm eating on the options with it too. We up good on that QQQ. Soon as hit that daily gap though, I'm gonna close my option one. I ain't finna play around with the options.
And you said, oh, MNQ still, that's crazy.
Come on now, my cat, she dang all up on me.
You got a cat, you got a dog?
Nah, my wife had a cat.
Oh, okay, she like
But we
cats
gonna get a
over
dog. We
dogs.
gonna get a dog when we get a house though.
Oh, okay.
Can't
I
stand on
got
the
a little
computer
child.
now. She be trying to sit on the laptop.
I
Ah,
got
I'm
a
out.
cat, so
I'm out on they kicked me out on my what's the name? My M&Q. We took 70. Come on, you in the way now. I can't see the screen now. We took 70 on that trade though. You hear me?
Yeah.
Now it is turn red, so this that pullback potential. You hear me?
Huh?
I said it's that pullback potentially. So
Yeah. I see. Gotta wait on that.
gotta see how far down it's gonna come.
Yeesh. That was a crazy push.
We might be shooting right back up to go and clean this up. I think the first green counter, I'll probably grab one light. Especially if we can close above this 1 minute gap. We can't close above that gap, then I gotta wait a second. Alright, we closed in the 1 minute gap, so I can't touch it right now. Pullback might get to the bottom of the gap. Probably come down to the bottom of this gap. Maybe that where it bounce at, probably. We had to see. Dang, I was trying to sell my options. I ain't get to sell my option contract, so I'm still in that mud.
You saying you missed your sell point?
Man, I was trying to set the limit because I'm on Weeble. And I'm new to Weeble. Like I had an account, but I don't really trade on it. But I started trading on it about a month ago, and like setting the targets and stuff would be a little difficult for me. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
So by the time I set the target, it already had pulled back, you know.
Yeah, I guess.
But it's alright though, cause I do think we gonna go back up. So it should give me sold once we go back up. Now we close green, we close out the gap. I want to grab along, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Ooh, let's see. I want to grab along. If we close green above it one more time, I think I'm gonna grab one.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna grab one. We close green one more time right here. If it don't just go and take that dang high. If it just go straight and take that high, then I'm gonna leave it alone. Let's see. And remember, we got PMI at 9 a.m. So that gotta come through too. I hope that mud don't drop. I really don't want to be in the trade when that comes. Cause if it drop too dang far down, I'll be mad if I miss a long.
Yeah, you said it come out at
9. Yep, at 9. Close red, so I can't. Nope, can't get in there yet. Can't get in yet. Now this one could close green and close, but it's high right here. And let's see. Dang, they show hustle me out my QQQ. I was trying to sell that mother quick. I was up like 50% on my QQQ trade too. I was trying to hurry up and sell that mother. I probably finna grab a long week closer, but it's high right here. Probably. Let me see the 5 minute real quick before I just do anything. 5 minute all green candles. Come on, take us up to that day. Don't make no lower low.
Which one you on?
MNQ. I've been on MQ the whole time. I don't want it to make no low on this 1 minute. If it do though, it's fine. But I wanted to go on take us up to that net daily gap, bro. Come on. Is it gonna make this lower low? All that lower low gonna do just slow us down, son. Hmm.
I said it's so close to it.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It's just gonna slow us down. Yeah. Cause I still think it can go up there. It's just gonna slow us down. Yeah, it made it lower low. Dang. So now I do expect to go to the bottom of the day. This 1 minute gap. Uh, if it closed red right here.
And the bottom of that gap is at 25,753. That's what you're looking at. Well, not 753. It's 752.
Yeah, 752. Yep. Dang, bro. It just slowed it down. Now we dang need a break of the downtrend, and we gotta make an uptrend for me to be ready to go long. That must slow me down. I'm mad I ain't get out my QQQs, so.
Some of your grades right now.
Chilling, waiting. Only way I can grab a long is if we take that high all the way to the left. I'm gonna check some other charts out while I wait on that. While I waiting on that, let me set an alert though, in case we take that out.
You know, remind her that you need to talk to her and ask her what can you do to get your grade up as fast as possible. That's unacceptable. But I'm saying, so when she graded, your grade can go up. But for you to get an F in the first place, how many assignments did you have to face? And you been getting bad grades on your other assignments or something? So that one assignment carried that much weight? That's what that is. That's what the CGA is. But yeah, that should be a priority in your mind to never turn in a TGA late, ever. So go ahead. All right. So MNQ still is in strong pullback.
Yeah, it's dumping. I think it's finna retest this daily gap.
Yeah,
This might
so
be where we get our bounce if it gonna bounce.
let me ask you this. The top of that daily gap, you got it marked at 25,531.
727 flat on trading view.
727, top of that. Let's see. Oh, I see which one you're talking about. That's a kind of small gap.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's why I didn't mark that one. It's so small. But yeah, that is important because if it breaks through that one, then it might be a reverse finna happen.
Yeah, big drop. But it look like we getting some rejection right here, right now. See how high it's gonna push. That news finna come out. So
Yeah.
maybe the news can squeeze us all the way up.
But they know they
Yep. Oh, look at the news coming out. It pushed up, but it ain't gonna take that dang high. Come on now.
Yeah, it ain't done.
Let me see. I'm gonna give it some seconds. See, let this news come out. Let this 5 minute counterpart close. It did spike, but it ain't go. It really ain't go nowhere for real. It basically stayed in the same spot.
Yeah, true that.
Trying to see if it push on up here.
Like if this 5 minute close green might be a good sign.
Yeah. Cause it's basically the end of sight. It made a downtrend, but then with this spike right here, we just broke that downtrend. We made a higher high. You see it?
Yeah.
On the 1 minute. We ended up breaking the downtrend. So now it gotta kinda find another trend again. So but on the 5 minute, we got just a red counter, that's it. Maybe if this 5 minute get a green counter, we can get some signs to potentially going up. Just wait a second. You really gotta be patient, that's all. Let me look at the 15 minute. 15. Cause yeah, 15 took highs already, so it could reverse if it want to, but I'm still thinking we trying to go up to that daily gap. I'm gonna be honest. I'm still thinking we trying to go up there to that daily gap at 25,818. I'm thinking that's where we trying to go.
Yeah.
That could have been a quick little scalp right there. Close back inside that gap, take it to the top.
Yeah.
That 1 minute gap. Let's see. Can we
Oh,
make a higher high right here? This would be an uptrend. We make this higher high.
my goodness. So I got in alone.
You ate off that mud.
Right at 25,755. I got in.
Nice.
I just got kicked out though because I was trailing it.
Yeah.
I was trailing it kind of close. I wasn't gonna give it a chance.
Yeah. But it did close green, so it's still a chance it can go. It's still finna keep going up right here. So
Yeah.
that's the good thing about it. It still close green. So see, we're trying to see this higher high gonna come. So we got high, low. This would be the higher high right here. I just don't like that stop loss kind of way too big for me. You know, like I had to trail this trade the whole time because that stop loss kind of big. I'm gonna grab one like I probably grabbed it a little too late, but it's fine. We're gonna let it see what it do. Probably grabbed it a little too late, but it's fine. We only in one contract.
Yeah.
See that 5 minute. Now we could get a hard squeeze back down though on that 5 minute. I don't know. Hopefully it don't squeeze down on me. Cause we do got one more minute left, so I'm hoping it stay up here.
Yeah.
Come on, take that dang high.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. If you take that high, it's
Yeah, it take that high, look good, honestly. Come on, you almost up there, bro.
it want to. It
I
really
just
want
hope
to.
we don't spike down, bro. I seen too many times it spike down at the last 10 seconds. Come on, bro, just hold. I do not want no spike now. I think I'm gonna set stop right here at the bottom of the cap. Come on, don't spike down on me. Please don't. Ah, come on now. They playing.
It's gone. It's gone.
It's literally there, bro.
The next 5 minute counter open red and it's trying to push back down.
I don't mind. I don't mind. As long as it take that high. Oh, it took the high. I think I'm about to set these
Oh
stops through up
man.
here. Give it a second.
Playing on
There
these
we go.
things.
That's what I was looking for. I'm trailing. I don't want to trail that tight. It's alright. I got kicked out. Dang, I was trying to let it go. I was trying to let it go to the dang gap, bruh. I was trying to let it go to the gap. They dang. I trailed slightly too tight, bruh.
Yeah, me too, bro. Me too.
I was trying to let it touch. I was trying to let it touch the gap so I could see if it's gonna run straight through the gap.
Yeah.
It literally faked me out though, cause it pushed up and then it just stopped. I thought it was gonna go on, push up and take it. I was trying to let it touch that dang gap, bruh. I wanted to see if we was gonna run through it, you know.
I'm trading on the demo account, right? So I'm in 10. It's up 540 right now. I got in at 25,788.
Dang, bro, that mother might go. If this counter close above this previous counter high, I probably grab one more long, and I'm gonna set my stop at the bottom when there's a counter that close above right here,
Yeah.
just for a continuation. So super tight stop loss.
Yeah.
My what's the name sold though? My options. Yes, sir.
It
We end
is
up selling for 48%.
good.
So that's good right there.
Yes, sir.
Come on, if it closes above this previous counter high, I'm gonna take the continuation trade to the upside. Hopefully it don't wick down and keep me out. Only if we close above
Crazy.
though. 3, 2. Alright, look like we close above.
Oh, yeah. It is pushing crazy. Like these 10 contracts that I'm in, bro, I wish this was like actual. But anyway, bro. I got pulled my take profit up where my trailing. I'm trailing it up. Even if it come back down, I still make 720.
Oh yeah, you eat. And
I
that's only
mean,
10 contracts, that's it?
that's 10 contracts.
You know there's only one NQ.
Oh, that's one NQ?
Yeah, 10 of those micros is
So
just one
one
NQ.
NQ, it'll be up this much?
Yep.
Damn.
But you gotta think, well, to the downside, it'd be down that much too. So, gotta be careful
Yeah,
with
I
it.
wouldn't even want to let it run that much. If I was trading the actual NQ, bro, I'd be to stop that bitch. As soon as it hit 100 in the red, I'm like, I can't do it. Yeah, now I'm up 5,000 on the day on this damn account. If only this was real.
The next pop right here, I'm bringing stop up. Hopefully it don't just close red here. 3, 2. Alright, look like it's about to come down. Come on. One more pop. That's all I need. One more pop,
Hey,
green.
hold on real quick.
You straight.
Alright, I'm back. Still, we looking at here.
Dang, why I had to pull back, bruh? I ended up catching like $12 right there, but dang, why I had to pull back right there? I still probably finna grab this long again though.
You know what's crazy, bro? If I was actually like trying to clear combine right now, or if I was on a live account, I would not be playing with no 10 contracts.
Oh no, that what? Yeah, heck no, not with that.
Oh no, sir, no, sir.
Oh, give me out, give me out, give me out. We did lose $20 right there. That spike down. I was trying to let this uptrend keep going, but it spiked down on me. So
Yeah,
we up 120 on the day. Let's see. If they close green though, it still probably keep going though. But I needed to close past that previous high. Not just close green. It got close past the previous high. Tell me that it ain't trying to go back down there again.
yeah.
We up 120 on the day. I'd say that. I'm gonna call it at 9:30 though. So whatever we got at 9:30, I'm gonna get off.
Yeah. Hey, I like that though, bro. How you just stick to that no matter what your strategy. You don't let nothing compromise, bro. Like you say, you gonna be on for this amount of time. Whatever you able to do within that time frame, that's it.
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna start sticking to that same mindset.
That's what you gotta do for real.
Yeah, I then one day I probably was on here trading for like 6 hours, 7 hours, bro. That was like stressful, and I lost that day. Like I was up real strong early, probably like 400, 500, and I
Yeah.
ended that day in the red 500.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying? That's why when you know, like you say, bro, take your wins and be straight with it, bro.
Yeah, you got to.
Yeah, so messed that up.
They could take a continuation trade right here. Uh, I'll grab one like I'm bringing stops quick, like super quick. I didn't like that full close like that, but we gonna bring those stops up real fast. We gonna let that pullback come. Literally, soon they come up here. Stop's gonna be set quick. Oh my goodness, bro. Why y'all playing? We took 11 right there. Why it couldn't just run right there? It's probably gonna run now, but dang, they keep faking me out. Yeah, leave. Literally, I was like, bro, it only a couple seconds left. It's finna run. And they literally just barely keep me out, bro. Last second. Hey, I knew it was about to run. I should just said, you know what, I'm gonna just hold it. I ain't gonna lie, today, probably because that news got me a little antsy. I'm a little bit trailing too much. I need to start just letting it run. You hear me? I think that news, me knowing that news was coming today, kind of got me a little antsy for real.
Yeah, sound like what I said last night for real, bro. It's like, with a certain amount of room, the confidence to sit in that trade, bro. I just didn't have. I just not have.
Yeah.
And with the news doing what it's doing, you don't know which way it's fixing to really affect the market, so you ain't comfortable sitting in it.
Yeah, and I already pushed up pretty hard today. You know what I'm saying? That's another reason why I'm a little antsy too, because we done pushed up hard today already, you know?
Yeah.
So you gotta keep it realistic.
Yeah, for sure.
But I definitely would have made $100 right there. I had two in M&Q loans. It's cool though. Trying to look at the MYM, see what it's doing. Nice. I got the MYM loans on my Ninja Trader account.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I eating on Ninja Trader today. Yes, sir.
I probably gonna once I clear me a combine on top step and get my second combine, I start being interested in getting an Apex or an Illustrator.
Ninja Trader is you funded yourself, so I say once you get a payout, use it. You maybe. I say after like your fourth payout, then we probably go to Ninja Trader.
Okay, alright,
Like
so
you put like
once I
$500 in there and trade it.
combine, so the first thing is the second combine, and then the next thing would be Apex.
If you want to get a lot of counts, yeah. But Ninja Trader like the last goal because Ninja Trader you only can have one account, but and it's all your live money. So anything you win or lose gonna be yours. So so literally you putting your money in yourself, you know. So you definitely ain't gonna be taking no 3 micros. You gonna take one micro at a time when it's like, bro, because losing 200, really you lost $200 in real life. So that's why I told you I be taking $20, $30 pops on my Ninja Trader. Give me about 5 good trades. Make me like 150 on day. I be like, okay, I'm straight with the Ninja Trader. Not until I know I'm like comfortable. Cause I can't. Once I know it's real money, I hate seeing myself down like $200. I hate seeing that. So that's just not what I'm not. When it come to real, like if I'm on prop firm, I don't mind it. But when I'm on that in my live account, boy, I do not like seeing being down on $200, boy. Heck no. At worst, I be hurt when I'm down $50 on the live account. For real. At worst, I try. Usually, I stop myself on my live account. Once I get down like $60, I just get off. But I only trade NYM on my live account. I was trading MNQ, but I just trade NYM because it's just like I can let it sit a little bit longer, you know, because it's a lot smaller. With that MNQ, it be moving so fast, bro. If you ain't right about that trade, you gonna lose $50 quick.
Yeah.
So dang, it's still doing its uptrend. on MQ.
Man, Q is not playing, bro.
I'm
Let me go check
saying
NYM real quick. I ain't looked in a bit. Oh, it's still in the uptrend too. Ah man, that was a nice pullback too. That would have been a great place to get in at.
on what the MYM.
Yup.
Yeah, I had caught that long. I ain't catch all of
Oh,
it. I caught a
you
little bit of
still
it.
pushing too?
Yeah, it is, but shoot, I'm out there mud. I'm out here. I move on quick, boy. They better catch me where I go, 'cause I move on to the next thing.
Well, so I ain't playing with it.
Shit, I get my money, I move to the next stop or something.
Yes,
You
sir.
know.
Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. That's how you get it. That's how you stack
Man,
it up right there.
let's see. Can we keep the uptrend going? Dang, hope we don't push down hard right here. Ten, 9, 8. Nah, oh my, bruh, did I'm tripping, bro. Oh yeah, it's
What
just
you
the
did?
beginning of the week, bruh. I sold my position by mistake, bruh. I was trying to sell one contract. I sold two.
For your eyes.
My loans on MNQ, bruh.
Oh,
I was in
yeah.
loans, bruh. I was trying to sell one, and I sold both of them.
Yeah, I did that
I'm
before.
mad in the mud,
And they
boy.
still pushing, bro.
I know I was in them dang loans. I was trying to sell one, bruh. I sold two. That was cool little 200.
Yeah, for
Cool little
sure.
200 right there, bruh. It's just Monday, I guess. Maybe I'm a little anxious. I don't know. But it's
Yeah,
about time for me to call. I'm up 170 on a day though. But dang, bro, I probably could make about $400-500 a day. Tripping,
yeah,
bro. If I kept wasn't trailing too tight today, and I'm making mistakes. I sold both my contracts right there. I was up 30 on them. That little push right there would have got me up like 160, 170 right there.
yeah,
But it's fine, bro. I mean, that's the good thing. I'm glad you on the calls with me, so because you seeing like, bro, I'm not perfect. Sometimes I get out too soon, stuff like that. Everybody got, you know what I'm saying. Some days I get caught. Some days y'all see me on stream. I be chilling. I be holding trail all the way through. But then some days it just depend on the days, depending on how the market moving. Like I knew today we pushed real hard up. So that kind of got me antsy on wanting to stay in these trades long because at any moment it can drop, you know,
yeah,
which
yeah,
is smart. So I ain't mad at myself for being trailing tight today, especially after pushing up that hard. But at the same time, it's like, dang, if I didn't, dang, trail hard, it can go. I could have ate crazy.
yeah,
But at the same time, you got to also think of the opposite side. If you didn't trail hard, excuse me, if you didn't trail hard and that mud did pull back, you been sick. So
right. Like,
especially if you know we overextended a little bit.
yeah,
I think the max like completely leave M and Q alone. Once it get to the top of the data gap at 25,948. Once it get up there, completely leave it alone, I think. Because I think that's when
yeah,
we start slowing down for real. I think that's ultimate. Don't touch it no more. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah,
Because if you ain't catch it by then, we probably finna do a pullback or we might go above it and just start moving sideways just so we can barely close above this gap and tomorrow, or for today. So,
yeah.
But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. If I ain't trail today, boy, this could easily been like a. I probably would have passed the other what you call it today. Yeah, I definitely would
Yeah,
have passed it
sound
today.
like it for real.
Cause I'm up 170, even though I was making some crazy mistakes trailing too tight. I'm still up 170 regardless. And all I needed was $300. So I definitely would have made that 300 if I didn't trail too tight. You know.
Yeah,
Or
for
if I
sure.
would have got that trade overnight, but I told you I don't trade on Sundays. But last night I told everybody, I don't know if you seen the what's the name last night, the analysis. But I said we probably finna go. It's probably finna bounce down here at this 25,300, and I said it should shoot all the way back up to like 25,500. That would have did, but
Yeah,
that would have been like $500 for me last night. But like I said, I don't trade on Sundays, so I couldn't get in that one. But yeah, hey, regardless, even though I trail tight, still had some fun today though. I ain't gonna lie. Still had some fun. It's Monday. Monday usually be a difficult day for a lot of people. So to walk away with 170, I'm glad. You know.
yeah,
But as you starting to get like doing these calls, you starting to got kind of get more understanding of how I be looking for the entries and stuff.
definitely. Yes, sir.
Basically, just look for the gaps. Once we get to a top of gap, look for an uptrend above it. That's all we're waiting on.
Yep,
If we
yep,
going
yep.
to the
And I,
downside, it's the same thing. If we going to the downside, when we get to the bottom of the gap, look for a downtrend underneath. When we in the middle of the gaps, I usually don't like trading.
yeah.
I like it either be at the above or below it.
And then I also notice how you handle once you get in the trade. You
Mm-hmm.
trust and solidify.
Yep,
And
trust that
once,
solidified.
yeah,
And only time I trail is once we take a target out. Like say we take first target out. Like say if we was in loans and we took made a new higher high, that's when I start trailing.
yeah, yeah,
Now I could sit there and stay on the solidified level, but I like to trail after we take first target. I'm gonna be honest. I don't be want to risk it reversing.
yeah,
Once we take first target, I usually like to trail. That's why I made that new rule last week. Buy two contracts at a time. So sell one at the target and then let the other one just go to break even once you go to
yeah,
first target.
yeah,
Cause I know it's gonna go to first target. It's just once it get to first target, it kind of can do whatever it want to do. You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
So that's the biggest thing. But today, since I knew that we had that news, I took all one contract trades except this very last one I just took. But I took only one contract, so I couldn't, sell one at a target and then trail the other, let the other one run. Since I'm only on one
yeah.
contract, that's why I was
Right,
trailing so tight. Cause I know, hey, I'm only on one contract. If I was in two,
right.
if I was in two, maybe I let it ran a little bit more. Cause okay, one
Mm-hmm.
of them I know I sold for profit. The other one is at break even, so I can let it run.
Yeah, yeah,
But since I knew I didn't want two contracts today, and I knew I was gonna trade one at a time for real, I had a
yeah.
trail a lot
You tell you got
tighter.
something. Yeah,
Yeah, I had a trail a lot tighter since I'm only in one contract.
I totally understand, bro.
But man, it made me happy seeing you on here though, bro, cause I want you to learn this mud for real to the T. You know what I'm saying?
I'm
So I'm
telling you,
glad you
man.
starting to
When I
see it.
tell you I'm locked in on this, bro, I'm
Yeah,
locked in. Like this is it for me. Like I'm gonna be honest, bro. Like the whole 9 to 5 thing, it ain't never really been me. I
yeah.
always did it though, cause I'm a man. You gotta have your
You
stuff
gotta
to
have
do it
something.
as a man.
Yeah.
So I always locked in on the 9 to 5. But I've been looking. I would say ever since I graduated college when I was like 22, 23, something like that. I've been trying to find something that really fit what I want out of life, which is to first of all be able to spend a lot of time investing in my kids in the way that my parents did.
Mm.
And the only way you can invest in your kids for real is if you got some financial freedom. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
I've always been looking for that, and this is it for me. But not only do I actually like because I was doing it, like I told you, I was doing it before I even got into futures trading. Before I met you, I was always curious about the market, bro. And I was pissed that I missed out on Bitcoin when it first popped out, bro. Because somebody told me, bro, you need to get in Bitcoin when it was like $2,000. It was like a
Like
$1,000 when it was
2016.
first. Yes, my wife, she the one that told him, she was like, bro, we need to get us a Bitcoin.
Dang.
Then that was stupid.
Man, I was mad about Bitcoin too, cause it was new to me. But I was graduating high school. You know, somebody graduating high school ain't thinking of that.
Exactly.
I said, man, I'm over here thinking about trying to go to college, play some ball. Cause it's 2016. I'm trying to go. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get ready for college. But I wish I knew about it though. I would have definitely put $100 in some. Cause I think if you put $100 in back in 2016 when they hit that 118 a couple months ago, I think you would have been up like 20,000, something like that.
Easy.
Off $100, bro.
Off $100, bro. Easy.
Crazy.
So like you remember I told you I did buy some XRP a few years back. So
Yeah.
when I bought the XRP, it wasn't tradable because the FDC, whatever the trade commission is,
Yeah.
it was doing an investigation into XRP to make sure they didn't have any illegal trade practices. The long story short, they cleared it, and by the time they cleared it, that $100 that I put in there had already turned to $1,000.
Dang.
So I definitely.
So you already was kind of looking at trading and stuff.
Exactly.
You
So
just
when I
got
mentioned
brought
it to
back
you,
to
bro,
it.
it was like confirmation to me, like this is what my path is headed, bro. So I'm locked in. Basically, I said, I'm locked in. Like this ain't no, I'm just trying to get some money real quick. Nah, this is gonna be the future.
Yeah. I feel you.
Like I definitely am trying to get some money out of it. Don't get me wrong, but this is like you said, you want to train and other people. You want to like be international, bro. Like for real. Like,
Yeah.
I'm on board. Like the vision that you got, I share.
Yeah. That's what's up, man. That's what you want. You want a lot of people with like-minded thoughts and stuff. Cause you know and then I'm gonna always refer. You gonna be like Mel gonna be like Keith love bring up Christ. But what's the biggest thing people say, bro? They say when two or three gather, that where the Holy Spirit is present. So as long as we need is two or three together, and he gonna be in the mix, man. He gonna be blessing us left and right. Everything we touch, bro.
I can never. That's why I'm saying it's called God first trade. If I can never get tired of that, bro, you can bring up Christ infinitely.
Yeah. And that's the biggest thing. I don't, cause I asked somebody else that's in the group, and like he said he Christian stuff, but he was just saying like he said he wouldn't pray before the trade and stuff like that. I'm like oh no, I don't push you to do certain things. You believe what you ain't even gotta believe. You know what I'm saying in Christ if you want. It's up to you. I'm not gonna force you to believe or not. I'm just gonna show you what I stand for at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see it show off out of my actions and everything that I do. So I'm never gonna pressure nobody. Everybody got the right to believe what they want to believe. You
Right.
know, but
Totally agree.
y'all definitely gonna see that boy keep believe in Jesus Christ, the Holy Spirit, and the Father.
What? Amen. Amen to that.
He said, "Amen." Don't stand on it. Let him go and bring all the blessings. He can get all the glory he want.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Amen to that.
For real. But I'm about to call it right here, man. I told you I got into 9:30.
Yes, sir.
So I'm finna end this stream.
That was a good morning. Good morning. I'm
That
glad I got in and got in and saw that and learning this how to refine my interests and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yep, definitely. Just keep on practicing with it. And then like you said, when you get that new account, you gonna be like, okay, bet I know where to get in at. Okay, when it comes to this
Exactly.
daily right here, I just need to uptrend the form and then I'm in, you know?
Exactly.
So all right then, bro. I'm gonna let you go now. I'm finna end this stream right here. So,
All right, bro. I'll let you know.
all right, bro. All right, YouTube. As y'all can see, we done for the day, man. We locked in 170. I gotta fill all this other stuff out. Trades, win, and all that stuff. I'm gonna fill it out tonight, but we at least set the gains and what we traded today. Only reason we got longs instead of short. I mean, we didn't take no shorts today. We took all longs. So, but yeah, I'm thinking about I think this win loss thing. I think I'm gonna delete this one here. Cause I don't know if I want to put WWWL, and then I don't know about the take profit stop loss, cause I feel like it's gonna be a big box. You know what I'm saying? If I took say I took 7 trades, and I got to set out 7 take profits, 7 stop losses. It's like I don't know. I'm gonna see though. I'm gonna see y'all. But for right now, biggest thing we made 170 today. We need 130 more to pass the Apex account. Cause like I said, we had 300 was the goal to pass the account. We need 130 more. We pass the account. Then it should be funded, and we can start uh making money on that new account. Um, I think I do want to add another tab though that say payouts, so y'all can see how much our payouts and stuff was each day. I mean, each time we take a payout. And account balance too. I think I want. I don't know though. I might not do that because that's a little bit personal information. As long as y'all see the trades and the total amount we get. Hey, I might not do that. I might not put payouts and stuff. I just put the total. Y'all just see the total gains and losses. But yeah, we had a good day today, man. Like we said, 170 on the day. We chilling. Like I said, we literally $130 away from passing. So we could get another trades, but I don't think I'm not gonna trade on this account. I'm gonna trade on my other accounts. But yeah, y'all have a good one. Your boy Keesis out.